Hey everybody, this is Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in Excel and I'm going to show you how to use a built-in function called GoalSeek, and that's G-O-A-L Seek. And what this function allows us to do is to figure out how much of a certain item we have to sell to reach our goal. For example, what I have here is a list of fruits, a quantity, the price for each one, and a total. So let's say that my goal is to sell $5,000 total of all of these fruits. Now I've sold apples, oranges, watermelons, and peaches, but I haven't sold pears yet. So I'm going to use this GoalSeek to tell me how many pears I have to sell at $2.79 each to reach this $5,000. And what we're going to do under Data, we're going to go to our What If analysis, and we're going to go to GoalSeek. And it's going to ask us in this first question, what cell do we want to set? Well, we want to set this cell because that's our total. And what value do we want to set this cell to? Well, $5,000 because that's our total that we want to be at. So we're going to put in 5,000 by changing what cell? Well, we need to know how many pears we have to sell at $2.79 to get to this 5,000. So we're going to choose B6. Now watch what happens when I hit this OK button. You'll see this number change and you'll see this number change as it calculates. So let's hit OK. So we'll tell it OK here. So it just told us that we have to sell 336 pears at $2.79 each to reach this $5,000. Now let's say that we had our pears in here, but we didn't have our peaches. So we're back down below 5,000. So we can do the same what if analysis. And we want to change the same cell, our total cell, to 5,000 by changing this cell and tell it OK. And again, you can watch it calculate to get us to our 5,000. So let's say we want to know the price we have to sell something for. So let's just say that this $2.99 is blank. I'm going to take that out of there. We can still use the what if analysis and our GoalSeek to tell it we need this cell to be 5,000 by changing this cell, and it should tell us what the price of our peaches need to be if we're going to sell 257 of them. So tell it OK. And there it does the same thing. It tells us it has to be $2.99 to meet this goal. And that's some of the things that you can do with your GoalSeek. It comes in really handy if you have a big data set and you need to find out how much of each one you need to sell to reach a certain goal. However, keep in mind, it is an absolute cell reference, so you can only do one cell at a time. You can't do your what if analysis, highlight all of these, and get a result like that. Because let me show you what happens. Let's delete all of those. And let's do our what if analysis, our GoalSeek, and we still want to set this cell to 5,000 by changing, let's say we tell it we want to change all of these and hit OK. Reference must be to a single cell, and that means it is an absolute cell reference, so it is a one-to-one. So let's put these back, cancel out of here, and that just means if one cell is empty, it'll work. But if more than one's empty, you would have to do another function or a Visual Basic script to get that to work. So another thing that we can do in here with our GoalSeek is say that this isn't where we want to set our goal at. Say we want to set it here and we want to sell enough apples to make, let's say, $2,000 in sales. So we will go here and let's remove this. And we'll go to our what if analysis, GoalSeek. We're going to set this total cell to our 2,000 by changing what cell? Our quantity. So let's tell it okay. And it just said you have to sell 608 apples at $3.29 each to reach your $2,000 goal. And that's how you use the GoSeek function to help you figure out how many of an item or how much an item has to be sold at to reach a certain goal. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and get notified. I'll be back tomorrow with another tutorial. Thanks so much for watching.